make sure that those are our guys. If not, engage them. So far, these tanks haven't brought any infantry with them. They're operating independently. Careful. I don't know what we have. He cannot enter the base. I believe he has to stay 100 feet away. Over. Let the referees know he's coming. Where's that tank at? Are they red? Red troops or red tank? Oh my God.
Keep over there.
See the tanks. Do we still have this purple pin?
Hey, they're moving up on the left side. 40 yards out.
Who is? I see the one guy walking off. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I thought the tank cannot approach within 100 feet of either the headquarter bases. Check with the referees. Hey, somebody look at that pin. Is it still showing blue? God damn it. Do we still have the pin? Yeah, the base. Do we still control the base? Yes, we do. That's the pin. See how it's blue is the majority showing? That's our objective. That's how we gain points to win the game. That's all right. Fucking. There's guys on this left side, guys. Over to the east. Yeah, I see him. Far right side, he's coming up the tape line. I see one. He's advancing. There's another one behind him. Almost to the sunlight.
Got two on the right. My hostile got torn during the corona, so I had to cut it down. And
There he is. You guys see him? Straight out?
Straight out.
See him right there between the two trees? He just ducked down. He's right there. There's two trees, he's right there, and then a curved one, he's right above it.
That one goes over there.
God damn it. Ethan, push these guys up! You guys are at your 11 o'clock, two of them right there, 100 feet.
Yeah, we're crawling up on this left side, Rich. Over.
Solid copy. One of them is a long gun and his spotter. They're right in the sunlight. One's down, you got one! How are those not hitting you? There's still two more of them up there. Right out here, guys, right here on the tape line again. Jackknife Porkchop 6, be advised, we have enemy troops north of Brown Firebase. I have to assume they flipped it and it is in enemy hands. Both of them went to ground. There's one big tree right here at my 10 o'clock, and right behind him about 30 feet.
Hey, 50 meters ahead of you, the wall there.
Which one? Which color?
That white building right in front of you. I counted one.
I'm obstructed, I can't see it. Porkchop 6, go ahead, over.
Lost my mic, buddy.
It happens. They got Brown away from us and they're pushing us back up into the purple village. Behind the white building, there's voices. I don't have the head count.
I was taking fire from the right side of this path up here.
Yeah, they're all over.
Got dead reds falling back from the right.
Hurry back, we need you.
You're the Desert Storm vet, right? You know Jeremy?
What's that?
think you know Jeremy, right? Johnson?
No, it doesn't ring a bell. I probably know him on sight.
Gotcha. What's your name?
Rich Cudahy.
Gotcha.
There's one in this white building. What's that down there? Right side, one target, right side. Careful. There's one more with them, guys. One more. Guys, watch your right flank over on the trail over there. See the dead guy walking off? There's one more. Where are those rounds coming from?
I don't know.
Is he still in this white building? See if you can get a look. I can't see, I'm instructed. Hey, push up! Push up, everybody! 50 feet! We're doing no good standing here!
Yeah, two right there.
All right. Fucking A.
Come on, you see the people? All right, good, thank you. Hey, Rich, where that?
White building. Behind it. One target down. There's one in the building. There's two far left side. No, we do not.
Watch your right, Rick.
I gotta get out of here then.
Gotcha.
Guys, don't bunch up. Remember that fucking one shot off the building will kill us all from that tank, so be careful.
Yeah, they're still behind
We're
us.
way too bunched up.
Yeah, we are.
Anybody know where these shots coming from on the right?
No idea.
We need guys to push the right side. Yeah, I know. These guys are in that tape line over there. Hey, you guys need to leapfrog. Count off 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The ones charge, two provide covering fire. Let's do this. We're all bunched up.
All right.
What's up? Stand by. We're trying to push the enemy out of here right now. I'm going to move to this white building. Covering fire! Bang!
Ah, nice.
Bang! Let's go! Push it